If you want an English accent that sounds clear, confident, and natural, and you want it in 1 week, listen carefully, because you're about to learn the 7-day system that changed thousands of learners' accents, and it will change yours too. Give me just 5 minutes, and your accent will never sound the same again. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm giving you the exact 7-day training routine to fix your English accent fast. Not in 6 months, not in 1 year, 1 week. If you follow every step, I guarantee you will hear a real difference in your pronunciation and fluency. Section 1. Why your accent stays the same. Nobody tells you this. Most English learners stay stuck with the same accent for years because they practice the wrong way. They repeat words. They memorize lists. They watch movies. They listen to English teachers. But they never practice the muscle training required for a good accent. Your mouth, tongue, lips, and throat are like a gym. If you don't train the muscles, your accent will not change. Today, I'm giving you the exact training plan for 7 days that will finally change that. Section 2. The 7-day accent fix plan. Day 1. Learn the 5 English sounds you're doing wrong. These 5 sounds destroy your accent more than anything else. 1. TH. Think, thank, this. 2. R. American or sound. 3. L. Light, little, look. 4. VSF. 5. Short, I. Sit, hit, ver, seat, heat. Master these 5 and your English instantly sounds cleaner. Today we will fix all of them. You demonstrate each sound with slow examples. Day 2. Shadowing method. 10 minutes only. Today you will do shadowing. Repeat a native speaker at the exact same time. Pick any 10-second clip from movies, YouTube, interviews, news anchors. Repeat it exactly like the speaker. Same speed, same tone, same pauses. Do this for 10 minutes. Shadowing forces your mouth to copy real English rhythm. Day 3. Fix your mouth shape. Game-changing. Your accent improves when your mouth moves more. Most learners speak English using their native language mouth position. English needs wider mouth, higher tongue, stronger lip movement, more jaw opening. Practice these words loudly. Really. Better. Beautiful. Water. Everything. Your mouth must move. Record yourself today. You will hear the difference. Day 4. The 3 accent rules that make you sound native. These 3 rules change everything. 1. Stress the important word. I want to go. 2. Reduce weak sounds. I want to go. 3. Drop unnecessary sounds. Next day becomes next day. This is how natives speak naturally. Day 5. Fix your intonation. Up and down like music. English is not flat. It goes up when you're unsure, down when you're sure, and up down when explaining. Practice. Are you coming? Yes, I'm coming. I'm not sure. Maybe. Without intonation, you sound robotic. With it, your accent becomes alive. Day 6. Record, compare, correct. Today is the honesty day. Record yourself reading this. English is easier when you train the sounds, not the words. Now compare your voice with a native speaker reading the same line. Fix pronunciation, rhythm, speed, pauses. This self-correction is how you transform in 1 week. Day 7. Speak for 3 minutes, non-stop. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Pick a topic. Your day, your dream job, your favorite movie. Speak for 3 minutes without stopping. Don't worry about grammar. Only focus on clear sounds, natural rhythm, strong voice. This unlocks real fluency. Section 3. Your accent will change. Fast. If you do this, if you follow these 7 days correctly, you will notice clearer pronunciation, more confident voice, reduced mother tongue influence, native-like rhythm, faster speaking ability. An accent does not change by hoping. It changes by training. And now you have the plan. If you want me to make a 7-day step-by-step lesson, comment 7 days below and I'll create it for you. Like the video, subscribe. And turn on notifications. I'm dropping more powerful English lessons every week. Your new accent starts today.